this next one is, again, going to save you more time in the future. You're going to spend a little time now doing it, but it's going to save you time in the future. So what we're going to do, let's scroll way over on the timeline here. Let's bring in, I'll use it from my favorites. Let's bring in a text plus node here. And let's customize it. What do we want this to say? Somebody say something. Jeffrey Cheese. Okay. That's disgusting. We're not making this my color. We'll make it pink. Pink's good. Let's change it to something nice and bold here. Jeffrey Cheese. That's disgusting. We'll make it bigger. Squeeze it together a little bit. That's good. That's good. Okay, so let's say I want this exact font setup. Pink, same size, same tracking, same literally everything. And let's, you know what? Let's throw some shading on it too. We're going to put an outline on it. Change this to black. And you can't see it because it's on a black background. There. That's subtle. We'll thicken up the outline a little bit. How's that look? Okay, so let's say I like the way this text looks right here. Pink lettering, nice thick black outline. I want to save this for future use. I can do that. And as proof, I can come to my titles, and this is one that I've created for future use that you guys might recognize. And then I can literally just change this here and adjust size as I need to fit whatever I'm putting on the screen. I've made the Taco Talks watermark too as a preset.
Wait a second, dude. Wait a second. Can you make pop-up text and save it?
Yep.
Where all you had to do is drag that in and change the text?
Yep.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. So captions are just drag and drop and change the text. You don't have to actually keyframe each one. You don't have to redo it each project. You can just drag it in.
Exactly.
Save it as a preset.
Exactly.
That's crazy.
And I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click on, like, as soon as you get it set how you want it, you got to make sure that it's set how you want it. You're going to right click on it. You're going to go to open in Fusion page. And now you guys probably won't see your clips at the bottom. I have them selected because it makes me happy, but this template right here is this is your text plus right here that we were just looking at. So you can see it right here. You can make any more adjustments you want here too in the transform. If you want to put a shadow on it or whatever, you want to make it bigger. I mean, you can make your adjustments here too if you want. It doesn't matter. It's the same thing. From here, you're going to, let me close this quick to make sure that doesn't open wrong. You're going to right click on it. You're going to go to settings, save as. Yep, then it just opens up. So it's not going to open up in this folder by default. I don't remember where it opens up. But you're going to go to templates, edit, titles, and then I made this folder called my titles, so you won't have this. But if you go into my titles, these are all the titles that you saw on the edit page that's gone now. And then we'll call this Jeffrey Cheese title. We'll click save. And now if you guys need help later on getting that in the right folder, let me know. I'll get you there, or you can just copy the directory that you just saw up there. Just don't put my name in because it won't work. But then if I go back into well, you can get to it this way too, and add it in the Fusion page, edit, titles, my titles, Jeffrey Cheese title, or I can go into the edit page, my titles, Jeffrey Cheese title. And now it's right here. So now we've got two Jeffrey Cheese titles. And this one, if I don't want it, if I want this one to be smaller and this one to be bigger, we can do that. Super simple. Will, you got a question quick? Anybody got a question? Or are you all creating your own preset titles right now?
I have a question.
What's up?
It's very quick and slightly off topic, and I'm
That's
sorry
fine.
if you've already explained.
Nope. I'm here to help.
How do you quickly like make those color boxes like the background like that?
This one here?
Yeah.
Go to generators and solid color.
Generators.
And then just click it and drag it in.
Yep, okay.
Okay. That's all that I have for in Resolve stuff, but I have two other things that I want to show you guys that is going to be useful for you as just content creators in general. Boom. Microsoft Edge. I love it. Okay, so DaVinci Resolve has a free sound library with hundreds of professional sounds that is all royalty free. You can use it. It's fine. I can put this link out there in the description. Yes, really. I can put this link out there in the description or in Discord. I can send it to anybody who wants it. This explains how to install it. It's really simple. It's really very, very simple. You do it within Resolve. I don't have it, so I can't speak to how good the sounds are on there. I use Epidemic Sound, so I don't really have a use for it, I guess. I mean, that's not true. I could find a use for it if I wanted to, but I already have so many places to get. Yes, it adds right to Resolve. It will show up. It'll show up actually in the Fairlight page, just like it shows here. It'll show up all of your sounds in there. So again, I'll get this link out there, and it'll be there. You guys can use it if you want to. The other thing is that you guys saw I had those Adobe stock images. Adobe has a absolute massive library of free stock footage and stock images. The only thing you need is a Adobe account. It doesn't cost any money. I set one up for myself. I mean, there's so much that you can do. Share with us your key map for like copy paste. There's not, but I can write a list for you. Or I can link a couple videos to you that I used for setting mine up. But yeah, like if you ever do end up editing anything other than like, I guess Minecraft footage, then this Adobe stock website has tons and tons and tons of stuff. Or even if you just want to use this as B-roll in some of your footage somewhere, you know, like, I don't know. I mean, like I can type in anything I want, like dice. And it's got tons of different images of dice. This watermark is removed when you download it. Tons of different videos of dice, I should have said. It's got dice tofu. Chili, you missed it. Chili, where are you? So anyway, yeah, like I say, I'll put the links for these somewhere and you guys can use this stuff.